Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. From that level here, I told you to buy. I tell it to you in the previous video in 30 minutes. You can go back and watch it. It's still in the channel. So that's the power of our analysis, my friend. Also, we give you very highly signals. If you enter from here till that place, we'll have you make 4.99%, my friend, from your capital. Who can give you something like that, my friend? Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that, and you're going to be notified every time when also you're putting a new video. So go ahead and do it. You've done it, and please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. We came back again to you, my friend. As you see here, the daily candle, it's finished, my friend, and it's finished green. And it's breaking for us that level here of 24k, that one. So now it need another candle to come next to it like that to push the price up. And if you're watching our previous video, what did I told you? I told you to buy from that level here. From that level here, I told you to buy. I tell it to you in the previous video in 30 minutes. You can go back and watch it. It's still in the channel. So that's the power of our analysis, my friend. Also, we give you very highly signals. If you enter from here till that place, we'll have you make 4.99%, my friend, from your capital. Who can give you something like that, my friend? But something here, as you see down here, the volume is not too much. So even if it's pushing all that, it might that one just a trap, my friend. So be aware of all those things. Let's zoom it out to show you where is the target of that one. As you see it, my friend, because it's breaking for us that level here. So us, we are going to come from here to here like that. And we're going to bring that one here like that to that place where it's broken like that. Then us, as we said it before, the target is going to be here at that level of 29,676, my friend. Here exactly, as you see it. Also, we put it before. But another thing here, sorry, I dealt in those ones, I'll show you more. Another thing, that one here, we need to move it to here to be more accurate, my friend. And I will tell you why. Why we move it, my friend, here. Because as you see here, the peak of that one, and that one, and that one here. So that one is the new triangle of us, my friend. So let's wait in the price now to break for us that level here of 25k. Then also we are going to talk, my friend, because till now, also we still just try to day trade the Bitcoin and those things in lower time frames, like 30 minutes or something like that, for the market doesn't catch us in it for long and to stay stuck for some time. But for people who just investing in crypto, down below in the first comment, my friend, you're going to get an 85% discount to our highly recommended course. That course is going to teach you the exact way how to invest in crypto, how professional people they do, not scams, not something like that. And another thing, my friend, very, very, very important. Down every video, a lot of scams, they came, they're writing for you comments, they try to scam you, to send you to Telegram or something. So be aware of those things. Don't go to no one, my friend. If anyone doesn't put for you a link in an official website like us, we put it for you in Udemy. Udemy is a big company. In the crypto, don't enter any of your debit card or credit card or anything. If someone he tell you buy something or so, you like it, use PayPal, because PayPal, they will not scam nothing from you. And even if you're being scammed, you're going to apply for refund on PayPal, they will back all your money, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let's see our indicators, what they said, my friend. As you see, my friend, here, that one, it's breaking for us that trend line as we've been following for a long time, my friend. So now my view, it need to come to touch it from up. Sorry, it's middle those ones. It need to come to touch that trend line from up like that. Then after that to break for us that high here. So like that also we are going to be sure as we broke in the trend line, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. But me, I think we are going to here to the overbought area, my friend. So if you enter from 17K, enjoy your profit, my friend. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, my friend, to see what is it there. Our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, we're still here in the orange, as you see it here. So till now there is no selling. Also we are going to sell only when it's going to reach here at the overbought area, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. Everything is very easy. We're making profit very simple way, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. The only things, if you want to learn from us, as I tell it to you, you can get in our courses. They are in the first comment, and they are by me, the link of my channel, Thomas Bolito. If you don't find my channel, don't click at any other link. And remember that our courses, they are hosted in Udemy. We don't host courses in anywhere else. And Udemy is a very well trusted platform, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into 4 hours to see what is it there. As you see here, my friend, in the 4 hours, what did I told you? If you remember, I told you we got here in that place, a cup and handle like that. I told you it's being broken here at that level here. Then the price is go back and test here that level, and that level I'll show you how we get it. Now I told you it need to break one up or it need to break down for us to go out from that thing as we are. And how we get in that level here, that yellow one me I'm talking about, that one. Sorry, let me show it to you, that one. How we get it, we just came, we calculating from here to here. Second time, we calculating from here to here. Third time, from here to here. And the fourth time, before even it came to that level, we calculating from here and we put it here. And that's where it retrace exactly, my friend. So now it need the price to go upward again, my friend, to show us where we are going, my friend. Everything in front of you. It need the price to come and to break for us the upper of that triangle. When it's going to break it, we are going to go hide in that, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So let's see our indicators, what they said, my friend. And by the way, before we go into our indicators, my friend, if you wondering what else we doing here, that's something is named technical analysis, my friend. If you want to learn it, down in the first comment, my friend, there is a couple link to our course. The course is hosted in Udemy. And by the way, the course is not expensive. It's only 13 bucks, my friend. It's the price of a cup of coffee. Go to it and you're going to learn everything, my friend. How to draw support resistance, how to draw trend lines, how to draw supply and demand, how to read candlesticks, how to read indicators, everything in that course, my friend. So you're going to enter someone beginner at the end of that course. You're going to be a professional technical analysis person, and you're going to get a certificate from Udemy that means you are a professional technical analysis person, my friend. And you can start working in anywhere you want. And something very important here in 4 hours, my friend. As you see it, that level of us, that one. Us, we are in it and it hasn't been broken yet. That one, my friend. So you need to be aware of it. It needs the price to break that level here of 24K 375. It needs to be broken, my friend. If it doesn't been broken, us, we are not yet in a bull run, my friend. Everything is too clear, and we are going to wait in after tomorrow when the weekly candle finish it to update you, my friend. Everything is too clear. So now let's see in our indicators what they said, my friend. As you see here, my friend, that our indicator, if you remember what else we said before, we said we got here like a small divergence from here and here like that. And we said another thing, we got here a trend line from all those ones before. We said it, we got it from here and here and here. It came, it touched it here. When it touched it here, it came upward till here till the overbought area, as you see it. Now it needs to go and to break for us that divergence, and even here in the chart, it needs to go and to break it for us to know us we are in a bull run, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. And another thing here, my friend. As you see here, what the price giving you. It give you here a low. And here give you a high. As you see here. Let me show it to you. High. A high. It need here to go up and to give us another high, my friend. So like that, the price is going to give us higher high. So that is going to tell us we are in an uptrend, my friend. But till now, we haven't breaking that level. So we need to wait in a little bit to see what's going to happen, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there to explain to you more about the lower time frames. Because the lower time frames, they tell you what the price is going to do for tomorrow or after tomorrow. So let's go in there, my friend, and to see what is it there. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, if you remember what else we said before, we're drawing here the triangle, the one here and here. And we said here, before it's being broken, also that was how we registered the other video. Now it's being broken. So you're going to bring the target here and to put it here, the place where it's being broken. And you make it like that at 25,299. So that is going to be the target, my friend. But let's see in our indicators what they said, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. And another thing, very, very, very important, my friend, here, as you see it here in the volume. Sorry, here and here. What you see, my friend. If you bring it like that, the volume is going down. And here in the chart, we are going higher, my friend. So I think it's going to drop. That thing is going to drop again. We don't know what's going to happen, my friend. So let's wait and see, and let's go into our indicator to see what is it there. For the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it enter here at the overbought area. As you see it there, it give us here a green. So now is the right time for you to take the profit, my friend. If you using leverage, you can enter short, my friend. If you enter short, you put stop loss above that level here, my friend. Above that last high here. Everything in front of you, my friend. If you don't use a leverage, you waiting the correction to happen again and came down here to the oversold area, my friend. Then you enter and you take the target here at the overbought area, my friend. Everything in front of you, everything is very simple. You don't need to complicate things, my friend. The only things, if you use a leverage, use stop loss. If you don't, you need to learn how to buy more. So when you're going to move up, you're going to back out your losses. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So now, my friend, what you need to do now, if you enter from here, now you need to take profit. And the enter, it's being here in that place. Now is the right time for you to take the profit, my friend. It is going to go higher till that level here, as I showed it to you before, till that level here. But till now, there is nothing yet confirmed, my friend. It will go in high than that, but that not too much. But if you enter from here, now, till here, will have you make decent profit, my friend. As I tell it to you before, will have you make 4.99. Everything is too clear, my friend. So, that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.